Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed to Seasoned Beauties, go on and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, while you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and hit the notification bell. That way, you'll be the first to know each and every time a new video is uploaded. Well, the reason for our video on today, I have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Yes, it's here, and we're going to go ahead and check out the contents of it. We're going to see exactly what they have going on this month. So, for those of you who are not familiar with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, this one is $25 a month, and you get all full-size products. And the value has always been well over $100. Now, for $25 a month, that's just not bad. So, let's jump into the April box and see what's here. So, of course, when we open it, Glam Bag Plus information. It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, now, of course, it's foam to keep everything in place and to keep it from being destroyed during shipping. Now, the first thing we take out is our pamphlet. Okay. And this month says, now in season, fresh spring beauty. Okay, it says, spring into a fresh new beauty routine. Okay, we're going to check it out, see exactly what's in here. So, the very first thing we pull out is the Feel Balanced. And this is the Feel Balanced Moisture Balancing Cream. And it says, moisturizes deeply for 24 hours. Okay. And the manufacturer suggested retail price on this product is $28. It says apply this moisturizer to your face and body right after you get out of the shower in your still steamy bathroom. Okay. It says to lock in hydration, use it daily to keep skin soft and smooth. This says it's a cocktail of cucumber, lime, and elder tree extract to help smooth your skin, reduce inflammation, and hydrate for 24 hours. Best of all, there is no greasy feel. Okay, we're going to check it out and see. It's Paris Hilton Skincare. This says an essential 2-in-1 first step cleanser to jumpstart your age delay regimen. Alrighty then. Oh, nice packaging. This is a dual action cleansing gel. It says Pro DNA Advanced Skincare System. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this product right here. The packaging, I must admit, is really gorgeous. I like the gold band. It's $29. And it says, you might not be an actual heiress But that doesn't mean you can't have a rich girl skin. This cleansing gel is infused with exfoliating caviar lime and pineapple-derived enzymes to brighten skin, cucumber to depuff, and white tea extract to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and help repair sun damage. And the next product is Lovecraft Beauty. That's this one right here. And this is a bronzer palette. Okay, this is the packaging. This is the product. And it says, in search of a goddess-worthy glow, this trio of buildable, light-reflecting bronzer shades will dial up the sun tone in your skin and leave you with an island glow. No plane ticket necessary? Into Lovecraft Beauty with products formulated by makeup artist Francella Daly. The brand is part skincare, part color cosmetics, and 100% magic. Oh, okay. I was a little concerned at first. I was thinking, what's this going to do for my skin? However, check out the skin tones, the shades, and of course the mirror, trying to keep it from really doing you in here. Here are the shades. Well, I guess they matched up pretty good, huh? Well, we'll see the first time we use them. Manufacturer suggested retail price, $39. Then we have, oh yes, this one is the It Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush, number 704. Okay, and this says you don't need an entire drawer of makeup brushes when you have one that does it all. Not only does this brush give makeup products an airbrushed finish, blurring away the appearance of fine lines and pores, it also applies skincare like a dream. The manufacturer suggested retail price of this brush is $48. $48. But this is a gorgeous brush. Look at that. Very nice. Very nice. And our last item is by Laura Sanchez, and this is the Moods Eyeshadow and Highlighter Palette. Nice packaging. This is the outside of the palette itself. This is the front, and this is the back. And it does come with a very nice size mirror. It does have a plastic sheet over it to separate the products and the mirror. And it does come with a brush. Did I just do that? Oh my God, I just took my finger in the palette. Now I can't give it away. Oh, Lord Jesus. Okay. Here's the palette. These are our shimmers. These are some beautiful colors. And it did come with the brush. Has a tapered brush on one side and a fluffy brush on the other. I'm sorry, I'm just like a little bummed out right now. Just a little bummed. Let's see, I'm feeling this purple. Boy, am I feeling that purple. There's a yellow. And let's try the turquoise. Woohoo, look at that. Gorgeous. Well, our description card says mood swings gets a bad rap, but sometimes they can inspire different makeup looks. Score! This all-in-one palette is loaded with matte and metallic shades of cheek and eye colors, an option for any mood you're in. Now you're equipped to express all the feels. This Colombian makeup artist was NYX Face's 2016 Beauty Vlogger of the Year, and her brand is all about bold color and self-expression. So this is that palette, and yes, it is gorgeous. Those colors are nice and bold. Nice and bold. Very pretty, very pretty. Very impressed. I'm just a little bummed right now because I was considering giving this in a giveaway. However, I can't do that. Not now that I stuck my fingernail in the... I'm so sorry. That was my little tiny rant. I apologize, but I really wanted to be able to give back to you, my subscribers. Well, these are the contents of our April Glam Bag Plus. Wonderful products. Thank you so much. Well, I do want to say, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Come back and see me again. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you're considering getting the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, if you already are a subscriber to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and let me know what you got in your box. If you are enjoying the products thus far. And by all means, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.